Good afternoon and welcome to the channel. I am back here in Atlantic City bringing you guys an awesome video today. Got to take the Hellcat to get it cleaned. It's been sitting dirty for several months. It is really time to clean the Hellcat. I have the Integra Type R sitting over here. So this is where I'm at in Atlantic City. Beautiful view, much better than where I was in central New Jersey. Take a look at that. Right here on the water. Got the bridge right over there. Pretty cool if you ask me. Time to clean the Hellcat, take it for a ride through downtown Atlantic City. But this is definitely a relaxing view to look out my living room window. I see people rowing in the morning, even though it's chilly. It's gonna get much better as it warms up. Such a gorgeous view. And Atlantic City, you can see it right there where I'm pointing. That is one of the casinos in Atlantic City, but we're gonna go for a drive through Atlantic City tonight. But it's time to go wash the car at a local car wash in Atlantic City, get it cleaned up finally after several months, and then I'm gonna drive through and show you guys what Atlantic City looks like and the boardwalk and the beach and all the awesome views, even though it's kind of chilly. So I haven't washed the Hellcat in 4 months. I know, it really sucks. It's dirty as hell, but finally going to be able to do that tonight, take a tour of Atlantic City with the Hellcat finally cleaned. However, before I do that, it is time for a cold start. You guys know you've been missing it over the last couple of months, so here we go. You guys know you missed the cold starts. American muscle goodness. Let's get on it. Let's get this video going. Let's check out Atlantic City and get the Hellcat clean. So as you can see, the Hellcat is a dirty beast. Time to make it look brand new again. Let's get started. First time in 4 months, I am so pumped to finally get the Hellcat clean. I have some free time now after all this moving and things that are going on in my life. It's time to get the Hellcat clean. Let's get this done. finally finished getting the Hellcat all cleaned up. As you can see, it looks beautiful. Now tomorrow I am doing another video getting the summer tires back on and going to the New York Auto Show, which is gonna be fan-frigging-tastic. But as you can see, the Hellcat looks gorgeous. It is spotless, but I'm also gonna go to the back and shine the exhaust tips, and then everything's ready to go. So I apologize for the lack of content and not having a lot of videos out for you guys in the last month and a half, but with the big move coming down south with the family, it's been a lot of work, so I haven't had a whole lot of time. However, I did review Tunnel Chaser's Demon, which is going to be coming out in the next few days, as well as the video we did while I raced him, which was really cool, and I held up a lot better than I thought. And then, of course, this video right here. However, you're going to be watching this before you see the review of the Demon, as I have to download some footage from him, and then I'll be able to finish editing it. So you're probably going to be seeing this one first, but that one's coming as well. I also have another video that I'm filming tomorrow, putting on the summer tires and going to the New York Auto Show. That video is going to be coming out in a couple of days as well. So there's going to be 3 or 4 videos in the next week that you guys are going to see. So I got the content coming back to the channel, and I got a lot of stuff coming to the Integra Type R as well. K-Pro, I got to replace the molding, got a front bumper lip I'm going to put on from Mugen to finish the lip kit. Then I got to get the front and back bumper painted. A lot of things coming for the Integra, but I do have a lot going on, so bear with me. I got a lot of car reviews coming up. I'm looking to review the Stelvio and the Giulia, as well as the new Mustang GT, the 2018. But I do want to thank all my subscribers and everybody who watches the channel for supporting me and watching and being very patient. I've had a very busy time with this move, so I appreciate you guys being patient and watching all my videos. After driving around a rental car over the last couple of days, I really appreciate being back in the Hellcat. I love listening to the supercharger whine as well as the exhaust. It is such a fun car to drive, so damn fast. Puts a smile on my face every time I drive it. I can't help myself. Okay, it's a 40-mile-an-hour zone and I'm doing 50, so I think that's enough. That's gonna do it for this video today. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, comment below what do you guys think. For all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for all your support and watching all my videos. Be sure to check out drivewaydemons.com. That's the store. You can support the channel there, get your hoodies, and more merch is coming. Once again, drivewaydemons.com, support the channel there to keep the videos coming. But until the next video, I'm Corey with Driveway Demons. Remember, have fun and be safe.